Students, let's talk about subject-verb agreement, alright? I want you to remember that all sentences have a verb. Okay, so let's look at the presentation here. The first sentence is, the hippo is very cute. Now, who can tell me the verb in this sentence? Now, for some reason, all our language is centered around actions. So, we always need to have a verb in order to have a sentence. In this sentence, the verb is the word is. The sentence is made up of two parts then. The verb, and everything about the action is called the predicate. Whomever is doing the action is called the subject. Let's talk about verbs for a second. Verbs can change depending on the subject. Because subjects can fall into 3 grammatical persons and 2 grammatical numbers, please copy down this chart of personal pronouns that go in the subject. On the vertical axis, I will write the 3 persons. First, the speaker. Second, whomever is spoken to. And third, someone outside of the conversation. On the horizontal axis, let's write the numbers. Singular for 1 and plural for more than 1. Great. Now, let's write a series of conjugations for 2 verbs. 1 regular and 1 irregular. For the verb, let's write I am in the first person singular. You are in the second person singular. He, she, it is in the third person singular. We are in the first person plural. You are in the second person plural. And they are in the third person plural. Now let's try the verb to do. I do. You do. He, she, it does. We do. You do. And they do. I want you to notice how the verb changes. Most verbs are regular, which means that the verb does not change other than in the third person singular, where we add the s or es at the end. I want you guys to write a short dialogue about going abroad. You will work in partners to write 10 lines of dialogue to include all grammatical persons and numbers. Make sure that you add s or es to verbs in the third person singular. I want you to pay close attention to this example. Hi, Jose. I hear that you're going to Cuba. Hi, Carlos. Yes, I am. Where do you want to go in Cuba? I am going to go to Varadero. The beach is really beautiful there. Great. Are you going alone? No, I will be going with 2 cousins. They are very excited. Are you going to go anywhere else? We will go to La Habana as well. How long will you guys stay in Cuba? We will be there for a couple of days. My cousin has a test at the end of the week, so we have to come back. I hope that you guys have fun. Alright guys, get in pairs and let's work.